Okay, go.
Oh, welcome to Amy's house. We are witnessing history here. Right, here with me now, Joe Jordan is attempting, but will he do? Four, I can't count, 4 chewing gum thingies. That's some live footage right there, that's live footage. Right, I think we should count down this moment. 5, 4, go! Oh, get it in there. We're on number 2. Number 2. Number 2. Down. Chug.
Chug. Oh, I said you can't.
Round 2. 2 to go.
This is a bet.
Ooh.
If you can take more than 3, then
He's a man.
test for manship.
Number 3.
Number 3.
I want to see how big this.
If you can beat
No.
up to 4.
Chewing gum
Okay.
3.
3.
Amazing.
I said you can't take more than 3.
He's on his third packet.
God, you must
Third packet.
well have
Yeah,
bubble
minty
gums.
now. Joe.
Minty mouth.
Yo, mint.
No! You got to show that. Jason, no!
What?
I hate that basket.
He's on his 3rd one.
Keep going, Joe.
Hey, go on, Joe. After you've ate all of them, I want
Number 3. 1 to go.
He's got a big mouth. Amy, what is that? What? Oh, that's Andy.
Is it porn? I want to see porn.
Andy McGuinness. It's Andy
Okay,
McGuinness
come on.
naked. Oh,
Come on.
that's so
Can you take the 4? So you can
We just saw someone's ass, but now we're back to this.
Okay.
It smells really minty.
4.
It is very minty.
You're getting close, it smells nice.
Number 4.
Number
The
4.
final 4. Fantastic 4. How much is that together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. That's 40 chewing gums. Fucking hell.
Going for it. It's going for the big 40.
He's gagging. He's gagging for it.
Yeah, I'm fancy, Bonnie. Go
Maybe I'll
over
shove a
it.
dick in there. George, you're up.
My turn.
Open your mouth. I want to see it. I want it.
You know how old that is?
Nice. Let's get some live footage of his mouth. Open wide. Alright.
Joe, spit it out on your hand. No, he hasn't chewed it yet. It's just
It has to chew on
He's got to chew it.
He has to chew
and then
it,
he's
there's one.
spinning it in his hand. And we're getting live footage.
Your hand. That's
Spin it into
disgusting.
live footage.
Okay, you ready, Joe?
Don't
Go.
laugh. Don't laugh.
Go, I'm
Don't
all
laugh.
excited.
Don't picture big boobies.
Yes, like crunch it into one big ball.
Your mouth face is tight like my arm.
Okay, come on. What?
And spit.
Spit. Spit.
Yeah, we want to see it. We want to see the beast.
That's a picture question.
Fucking hell. Oh no. Live footage here.
Been transferred.
Oh no. Christ. It burned my mouth.
I think we'll stick.
The mintiness.
Pass it back.
It's like that. I don't like this game.
This is so enjoyable to record.
YouTube.
The biggest chewing gum in the world.
Oh my goodness, shut up.
You ready, Amy? You ready? Now let's just investigate it. Look at the size of that.
Let's get a close up of that beast. There it is.
It's
It
going
looks
in.
like a brain.
Why is there all pink stuff in it?
Is that all fine?
Someone's dying.
That's probably bloody.
Amy, where's the picture of George from Habbo?
The gun.
I can't breathe in without like burning my throat.
Yeah, I know. Look, imagine airways. Nice.
Who's next?
Oh
we have
my
to have
God.
someone
My
else.
document.
Sam?
You're gonna get AIDS.
Sam, you want some?
Fine.
Who wants to turn?
What legend wants some of this action?
I would do, but I don't like mint.
Yeah.
Amy, that's what I sent you.
Shove a party ring in there.
It's your turn, just take it. You just said yeah.
I said, no, babe.
Oh, fuck it.